Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is two siblings discussing about how to withdraw money from an ATM.
Listen, read, and then repeat. Justin, I'm going to the bank. I will be back in a few hours. Is there something important that you are visiting the bank? I need some cash for my daily household needs, and there isn't sufficient cash with me. Okay, but why don't you use your ATM card to withdraw the cash? It's easy and you don't even need to visit the bank for it. It will save your time. I agree with you, Justin, but I don't know how to use the ATM card to withdraw the cash. I've never used it before. No issues. I will demonstrate you on how to use it for a transaction.
Once you get the gist of it,
You can manage it all by yourself. Okay, that sounds good. So come on, let's go to the nearest ATM. Take your ATM card along with you. Yes, I have it with me. Good. By the way, do you remember your ATM PIN? We will need that too. I don't remember it as I never used it, but I do have the ATM PIN letter which I received from the bank. That's perfect. Okay, there's a queue outside the ATM. I guess we'll have to wait for some time. Yes, during the rush hours, we often see the long queue here. Why don't we check with the other ATM? I guess it will be better to wait here. Okay, now there are only two people left before us. Come, let's get inside. Now show me how to withdraw the money. Now, first insert the card here and wait. Now select your preferred language from the displayed options on the screen. Okay, but how shall I select the option? It's a touchscreen system, so just click on the text displayed on the screen. Okay, I understood now. Now select your transaction type as withdrawal and then select your account type as savings. Okay, I'm doing it. Now, on the next screen, the system will ask you to feed in the amount which you want to withdraw. Okay, it's asking me to type the amount. How shall I type it here on the screen? Use the dial pad to type the amount. It is located at the bottom of the screen. Now, the system will ask you for the PIN. Yes, it's asking me to type the PIN. So, type the PIN there using the same dial pad. Okay, now it's asking me to confirm. Yes, after typing the PIN, the system will always ask you for the confirmation. So, click yes to confirm your transaction. Okay, I confirm now. Okay, now wait. Oh, it's showing some error on the screen. Please read the error. Your transaction failed. Incorrect PIN. Try again. I think there was a typo at your end. So now what? Never mind, repeat all the steps again, and this time type the correct PIN. Okay. And remember that if you fail to type the correct PIN for 3 times, then your ATM card will be blocked for that entire day, and you won't be able to use it for any transactions. Oh, I did not know about this. Thanks for informing me. Now try again, and this time be careful with your PIN. Sure. Do you need any help? No, I still remember all the steps and whatever you told me. Good. Wow, look here, I just withdrew the cash. Great, now you can withdraw cash anytime without any hassle. It's amazing. Thanks for helping, Justin. My pleasure.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email, and then like and share my videos within your network.